This video is going to show you how to export a list based on a search. Click on CRM, then click on Export. From here you want to make sure, and this is the default, that primary info is selected. Click Search Data. And if you'd like to do a mailing, say to those leads who are working with Zoars, as well as those who have a sales completed, then you can choose as many as you want here by either highlighting and then clicking your control button to highlight other statuses. If you're on a Mac, it would be the command button. Here I'm going to choose a random individual as the lead owner, and then that's going to provide a list. But before I ask to export the list, I'm going to select the fields that I would like exported. I'm going to choose first name, last name, all of the physical address, and this is really for if you want to do a mail merge through Word doc, if you want to print out labels, envelopes, and like I said, use your mail merge manager in Word. So this is the physical address. If you wanted to export all of these, you could do that. So keep in mind, I have chosen working with Zoars. Those are my really hot leads. And then also those people who have a sale that I have completed. And here I'm going to export as an Excel spreadsheet. It's going to download. Now I can go to my downloads and find that. Export. I know I've got a lot here. And here you can see I've got their first name, their last name, their physical address. And now I can use this list to go into Word. Now I can print labels or envelopes or even do a mail merge. See, my column here is out of order, so I am going to cut that, paste it here. And I can delete this entire column. Nothing presented in address 2, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that column. And as you can see, I've got some that don't have addresses. Just be mindful of that. Here the state is going to give me the entire state name, so you may want to go in here and put in the abbreviation for that state just to clean up the list and get it ready for print. You get the idea. So now that list is ready. For those who want to send, for instance, a holiday card to referral sources, and I'll say specific referral sources like a Right Management office, it's very much the same process, but you may choose to export additional information. From the CRM tab, click Export. Here you don't want to choose the company information name. You want to go ahead and click Search Data. I want my contacts. Be mindful that all new contacts will eventually be merged to the contact lead status. Here I'm going to choose a random consultant. Let's pick Harriet. For instance, Harriet would want to send to her Right Management office. So here is where we would type Right Management. And then down here we're going to select fields. Again, this is to send to a physical address. So I'm going to choose these fields that I would need, the zip and so on. And then I'm also going to click company name. Again, you can download all of this information to an Excel spreadsheet and only use the information that you need but want this information. I'm choosing company name to ensure that I am sending to the Right Management offices. I'm clicking Export to Excel, and here I'm going to go to my downloads, choose this so I can see the information that has resulted. I've got the first, last name, the address, and I can of course move the zip code over and have the abbreviation for Arizona here. And then once I have this spreadsheet ready, I can use this as a data source when I go into Word to do my mail merge through the mail merge manager within Word, or I could set up labels, or I could print envelopes.